Consider a leaking tap. Water is leaking from the tap at a constant rate of 60 liters per day, or this is in 24 hours. So the question is, what volume of water in liters is leaking from the tap during each hour that passes? So 60 liters per day, or in 24 hours. So that means in one day there are 24 hours. So they want to know each hour. So we divide 60, divide 24, and we got 2.5. So it's 2.5 liters per hour. So how we get it? It's 60. So 60 divide 24. Then we get the per hour. Complete the following table. So if this is T in time in hours, and this is volume in liters. So in 24 hours, it's 60 liters. Now in 12 hours, so 12 hours, and it's 2.5 per hour. So 12 times 2.5, it means that it will waste 30 liters. And then we have 2 in 2 hours, and then we multiply 2 times 2.5, then it's 5 liters. So in 2 hours it will waste 5 liters. Write down a formula for V, the volume of water in liters leaking from the tap, in terms of T, the time in hours that this tap leaks. Write your formula in the form V. So V of T is equal to, let's do it in hours. So it's 2.5 liters per hour times the number of hours. Use your formula to determine how much water will be wasted if the tap leaks in 16 hours. So the formula is V of T is equal to 2.5 T. So the V of 16 is equal to 2.5 times 16. So 16 times 2.5 is 40. So it will waste 40 liters of water in 16 hours. You place a 175 liters drum under the tap to collect the water leaking from it. Assuming that the drum is resting on level ground, how much time will pass before it begins to overflow? So our formula is V of T is equal to 2.5 times T. Now they give us the V volume. So this is 175 is equal to 2.5 times T. Now we solve for T. So we divide both sides of the equation 2.5. So we have T is equal to 175 divide 2.5, it's 70. So in 70 hours, the drum will overflow.